Hello my dear foodies, welcome to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. Today's recipe is a very famous Mexican cuisine, Nachos Chips with salsa in Indian style. I'm sure everyone is gonna love it. In this recipe, I have used sweet corn instead of using the maize flour, which makes the recipe more healthier. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. So our first and the most important ingredient here is a sweet corn. I have taken the corns from the kernel and now I am going to grind them. No need to use the water. Now take a bowl and add 1 large cup wheat flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and mix all the ingredients. Now add the grinded sweet corn paste and mix again. Add about 1 tablespoon of oil and some water. Knead it to make a medium soft dough. Now take some dough and prepare a roti. Make holes using a fork. Now remove its 4 sides to form a square. Now cut it into triangle shaped pieces. It should be very thin. Now these should be air dried for 30 minutes to get the crispier nachos chips. Let's deep fry these now. Add them in hot oil and fry on medium flame. Crispy, yummy nachos chips are ready now. Let's prepare a salsa now. Add tomato, onion and green chili on the pan and roast them to get a smoky flavor. Now take them in a chopper and chop them. Half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon coriander leaves and chop them again till fine paste. Salsa is ready now. Enjoy these tasty nachos chips with salsa dip with your family and friends and have a happy weekend. So please do try this recipe and tell me how did it turn out. Thank you for watching my video. We'll catch you guys soon again with another interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.